Hello students, you are watching KASHYAP tutorials and I am Prabhakar Acharya. Students, now we are till now we have seen four chapters as well as grammar part from entire Sanskrit textbook Amod of SSC board. Now here I am going to start first video of fifth chapter. The lesson name is Sa Eb Parmano. Again, I tell you what I am going to give you in this video. I will give you perfect meaning of the word, correct pronunciation, the title meaning, as well as we'll see sandhi, samas, and additional questions to you. So please watch and also share it with your friends. And you can watch anytime, whenever you have free time. You can repeat this chapter or any lessons which ever uploaded on this channel. So let's start with the meanings of this chapter number 5th, Sa Eva Parmanu. As you know, Sa is made of tat table, Sah Tote, it is pulling shab. So Sah means he or that, Eva only Parmanu. So that is atom. So everyone is aware, everyone is familiar about the atom. Atom किसे कहते हैं ये सभी को मालूम है, ये बताने की कोई चीज़ नहीं है. But that is ट्रांसलेटेड इन संस्कृत की संस्कृत में अगर इस चैप्टर को इस वर्ड को प्रेजेंट किया जाए तो कैसे और how this topic is related to Sanskrit, because till now we are aware that this atom came from outer side, means we can say from foreign countries. बाहर से आया, विदेश से आया, हम लोग यही जानते हैं. चाहे जो भी है, चाहे वो सर्जरी है या एरोप्लेन है या जो भी है, जो न्यू न्यू इन्वेंशन होते हैं, हमें ये लगता है कि फॉरेन से आता है. बट इफ़ यू गो टू इन डिटेल, go in Vedas, if you read Vedas, then you come to know that everything means that these points or important topics have been mentioned already in Vedas. So first we'll see introduction कि कैसे ये प्रूफ होता है कि ये ऑलरेडी वेदास में लिखा गया है. सो विश्वस्य उत्पत्ति विषये नैके सिद्धान्ताः प्रतिपादिताः. नैके प्राचीनाः सिद्धान्ताः कालवशतां गताः. नैके नूतनाः च वैज्ञानिकैः स्वीकृताः. एटम इति शब्दः सर्वेषां सुपरिचितः एव. आधुनिक विज्ञान शास्त्रे एटम इति मूल कारणं द्रव्यस्य स एव एलिमेंट इति मन्यते. प्राचीन शास्त्रे तु परमाणुः निर्मितेः मूल कारणम् इति कथितम्. परमाणोः वैशिष्ट्यानि महर्षिणा कणाद महोदयेन वैशेषिक दर्शने कथितानि. अस्मिन् विषये अधिकं संशोधनं शक्यम्. सो इन शॉर्ट आई कैन टेल यू कि ये चैप्टर कहाँ से लिया गया है एंड व्हाट इन दिस चैप्टर इज एंड हु इज़ द राइटर, दैट इज मेंशन इन इंट्रोडक्शन. इसीलिए कभी भी हम चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मीनिंग्स. विश्वस्य उत्पत्ति विषये means about the formation. Utpatti means formation of universe, of this world. Naike siddhantaha means many concepts or many theory. Pratipaditaha means propounded. So many theories, many concepts propounded about the formation of this universe. कैसे बना ये विश्व, इसके बारे में बहुत सारे थियोरी चलता है. अगर हम पुराण की बात करें तो पुराण कहता है कि ये देवता की देन है, मतलब ईश्वर ने इस सृष्टि को बनाया. साइंस की बात करें तो वो बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो पहले कुछ नहीं था, ये एक तरह से आग का गोला था, या फिर यहाँ पे लाइफ थी ही नहीं और सडनली कोई ऐसा डिजास्टर हुआ और जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे लाइफ पनपना शुरू हुआ. सो सेम थिंग इज सेड हियर. नैके प्राचीनाः सिद्धान्ताः कालवशतां गताः. नैके मीन्स मेनी, प्राचीनाः, Prachina means ancient, old. Siddhanta means concepts, means theory. Kalavasatam gata means disappeared with the time. समय के अनुसार वो गायब होता, समय समय पे वो गायब होता गया. जिसको लगा कि ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है वो निकलता गया. नेके नूतनाः च वैज्ञानिकैः स्वीकृता. and new concepts accepted adopted by the scientist. Now, atom iti shabda sarvesham suparjita eva, that I told you at the beginning. See, everyone is well aware about the word atom. सभी को मालूम है, चाहे वो पढ़ा लिखा हो या नहीं हो, अगर एटम कहा जाए, परमाणु कहा जाए, वो जिसके नहीं परमाणु, तो वो समझ जाएगा कि परमाणु मतलब क्या। उनके दिमाग में एक ही चीज होता है कि परमाणु मीन्स जो खत्म कर दे, धरती को ही बर्बाद कर देगा, जो जापान पे गिरा था, तो उनको सिर्फ वही समझ में आता है। नाउ, आधुनिक विज्ञान शास्त्र मीन्स इन मॉडर्न साइंस, or we can say in the philosophy of modern science, atom iti mool karanam dravyasya, means the atom is the root source or the root source of material or substance. Main karan hai sa ev element iti manyate, that is itself said element. प्राचीन शास्त्रे तु परमाणु निर्मिते मूल कारणम इति कथितम। इन एंशियंट टाइम, प्राचीन शास्त्र में जो ओल्डन टाइम में जो शास्त्र लिखे गए, स्पेशली संस्कृत में या किसी और लैंग्वेज में, वो शास्त्र क्या कहता है कि परमाणु निर्मिते है मूल कारणम। द परमाणु मीन्स द एटम, वही शब्द है, इज द रूट सोर्स और द मेन कॉज ऑफ क्रिएशन। ये विश्व की उत्पत्ति या जो ये जीव यहाँ पे पनपा है, उसका मेन कारण परमाणु है। परमाणोः वैशिष्ट्यानि महर्षिणा कणाद महोदयेन वैशेषिक दर्शने कथितानि। परमाणोः वैशिष्ट्यानि means the characteristics, the or the peculiarity or the speciality of atom has been stated, कहा गया, had been stated, कथितानि means had been stated or said by the great sage कणाद। एक कणाद नाम के ऋषि हुए हमारे में, जिन्होंने एक वैशेषिक सूत्र लिखा। उन्होंने इसमें एटम को, परमाणु को उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है, सिर्फ बहुत साल पहले उन्होंने कर दिया, हजारों साल पहले इन्होंने कर दिया। और अस्मिन् विषये अधिकम संशोधनम शक्यम, एंड ऑल्सो इट इज सेड दैट दिस इज नॉट द एंड, दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट थिंग, मीन्स इन दिस टॉपिक, इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ यूनिवर्स, अधिकम संशोधनम शक्यम means more and more amendment, rectification can be done. So यहीं पे एंड नहीं होता है, ख़त्म नहीं होता है, इसके अलावा भी ये चलता रहेगा और चल ही रहा है। साइंटिस्ट लोग इसके ऊपर रिसर्च ही कर रहे हैं कैसे यूनिवर्स क्रिएट हुआ, ताकि वो दूसरे ग्रह पे भी जीवन को पनपा सके, जीवन की खोज कर सके। Now let's start. First I show you introduction of this chapter. ये इंट्रोडक्शन था, बट रिटन इन द इंग्लिश, सपोज सच क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, तो इंट्रोडक्शन क्या होना चाहिए। दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन। द ट्रिफलिंग मीन्स miniature, or we can say minute particle of a chemical element means segment is atom. In Greek language, atom means that which cannot be split or broken. So this is said about the atom in Greek language. So what is next? The name of the scientist whose information is given in this lesson is Kanad. He is reported to subsist on remnant food grains scattered in the farm. That's why he is said in Sanskrit, he is said Kanan atti iti kanada. Kanan means means grain particles, and atti means eat. इति कनाद, जो कनान के बचे हुए पार्टिकल्स को, पार्ट्स को खाता है, उसे कनाद कहते हैं। इट इज उपतत्पुरुष समास फॉर्म। Such legend about him is popular. That's why his name given Kanad. It might perhaps be a fact also. The concept put forth by Kanad is in fact the scientific proposition of modern times. So this is introduction. This will help you to write and understand correct information about Kanad. And while you are writing Madhyam Bhasha, you can take words from here and you can make your own sentences. So now two questions have been asked here. Just understand and try to find out answer of this. Kim यूयम बिग बैंग सिद्धांत विषय जानी था? That means, do you know about the Big Bang? थियरी, क्या आप बिग बैंग थियरी के बारे में जानते हैं? Let's I tell you little bit. I give you little bit information about this. Big Bang theory was actually initiated by the scientists to see how the formation of universe done. मतलब ये विश्व की उत्पत्ति कैसे बना, वो वापस वो देखना चाहते थे, और इसीलिए उन्होंने एक मशीन क्रिएट किया जो बहुत बड़ा मशीन था, ह्यूज मशीन था, जो अर्थ के नीचे रख के उन्होंने उसको उस मशीन को चलाया, बट बाद में प्रॉब्लम होने से उस मशीन को बंद कर दिया गया. तो दैट इज फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, विज्ञान अभ्यासक्रमे युष्माभि एटम विषये किम किम पठितम. While you did practice or practical of science, what did you study about atom? जब आप साइंस के प्रैक्टिकल करते थे तो उसमें आपने साइंस एटम के बारे में क्या पढ़ा? जो भी एटम में साइंस आपने पढ़ा होगा तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे एटम का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया. So this is these are the two questions given. Now I'm going to start with the reading, and I'll take only a few lines from here, from few dialogues from here, and then I make second video. So first I will read, I will give you Sandhi words, then I give you Twant 11th form, and then I come to meanings, as well as I give you translation and additional questions. So let's begin with it. See, the first means it is actually conversation based. तो क्या हो रहा है स्टेज पे वो बताया जा रहा है. What is happening behind the curtain. So it is said, अर्णवः जपाकुसुमं गृहीत्वा प्रविशति, तस्य पिता विज्ञानस्य प्राध्यापकः, सः पुस्तकपठने मग्नः, तस्य पार्श्वे उत्पीठिकायां सूक्ष्मेक्षिका वर्तते. अर्णवः, पितः अस्माकम् उद्यानात् जपाकुसुमम् आनीतं मया. कियन्तः सूक्ष्माः तस्य परागकणाः. पिता, सूक्ष्मेक्षिकया पश्य, तेषां कणानां रचनाम् अपि द्रष्टुं शक्नोषि. अर्णवः तथा करोति. पिता, किं दृष्टं त्वया? अर्णवः, पितः अद्भुतं तत्. सूक्ष्मकणेषु तस्य अंगानि दृश्यन्ते. So first I'll take this much only, and then I'll make second video. So first see the Sandhi word. If there is Sandhi, I give you here. The Sandhi word is here Sukshmekshika, Sukshma Ikshika. It is Sandhi, Sukshma Ikshika. It looks like कर्मधारय समास, but यहाँ पे संधि है और मैं आपको संधि बताता हूँ. सूक्ष्मेक्षिका, सूक्ष्मा इक्षिका. तो आ प्लस ए इक्वल टू एक, सो इट बिकम सूक्ष्मेक्षिका. एंड अगर समास पूछा जाए तो इट इज कर्मधारय समास. Right? Now we'll find another sandhi. If there is another sandhi, I give you that. After that, means there is no other sandhi word. एक ही संधि था. इसके बाद में हम लोग आते हैं तुमंत अव्यय या कोई और त्वांत और 11th फॉर्म है. Then we'll see. So just see गृहीत्वा. गृहीत्वा is त्वांत अव्यय form. Correct? Then come to next line. After that we will see drashtum is tumant अव्यय form. You must note down important words because ये आपको find out करने के लिए आएगा. So this is tumant अव्यय. पहला था त्वांत अव्यय and this one is tumant अव्यय. tumant अव्यय. Now so now begin with the meaning. Arnava. Arnava is a boy. Japakusumam grihitva. Japakusumam means hibiscus flower. Japakusumam is a flower named hibiscus. Grihitva means holding. Pravishati means enters. Pravishati means enter. Tasya pita means his father, means of Arnav father, pita means father, Vignanasya Pradhyapakah means science professor. His father is science professor. Saha Pustak Patne Magna. Saha means his father. Saha means he. Pustak Patne means reading a book. Pustak Patne means reading a book. Magna. Magna means engrossed or busy. He is busy in reading a book, engrossed in reading a book. Tasya Parshve, Tasya means his, Parshve means behind, Parshve means behind him, Utpitikayam. Utpitika, if you remember a standard table, Chitrapad goes, then you come to know Utpitika means table, and ninth में भी था Utpitikayam. So this सप्तमी एक वचन. So Utpitikayam on the table, Sukshmekshika means microscope. Sukshmekshika means microscope, right? Vardate means is. So there is microscope lying on the table behind him, right? Now start with next. Then conversation begin. यहाँ से conversation start होता है. अर्णवा. पितः, this is संबोधन का एक वचन form. पितः means father. अस्माकं उद्यानात्. अस्माकं is षष्ठी बहुवचन form. From our उद्यानात् means garden. From our garden. Japa kusumam anitam maya. Japa kusumam means hibiscus flower. Anitam maya. Japa kusumam anitam maya. So Japa kusumam means hibiscus flower. We have seen at the beginning. Anitam means brought. Maya means by me. Kiyantaha. Kiyanta means how. Sukshmaha means tiny. Means imperceptible or minute. We can say very small. Tasya paragana. Tasya means its. Paragakanaha. Paragakana means pollen grains. So how tiny is its a pollen grains? Means oh father, I have brought hibiscus flower from our garden. How tiny is its a pollen grains? Then Pita said, Sukshmekshikaya pasya. Sukshmekshikaya is tritiya ekvachan. Original word means pratipadik word is Sukshmekshika. Means here this word is mentioned. So Sukshmekshikaya means through microscope. Means microscope. Pasya means see. Lot lagar ekvachan. Madhyam purush ekvachan. So see through or was through microscope. Tesham is there. 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 Kananam rachanam. Kananam is of inner structure. Kananam rachanam is inner structure. Rachanam api also drashtum saknosi. Drashtum means can see. Saknosi means can. Drashtum means see. So you can see its inner structure through means was through microscope or observed through microscope. You can see the inner structure of these or those pollen grains. Arnava tatha karote. Arnav does the same और does so. जैसे उसके फादर ने कहा वैसे. अर्णव तथा मिस सो. करोति मिस डच. पिता किम दृष्टम त्वया. फादर asked to Arnav, what did you see? Kim drishtam toya. Means what did you see? Kim is what? Drishtam is seen or saw. Toya you. So what was seen by you? Actually this is passive sentence. ये कर्मणि प्रयोग है. So what was seen by you? Then Arnav said, Pitah, father, adbhutam tat. It is wonderful. It is adbhutam. Means it is wonderful. ये amazing है. Tat means that. Sukshma Ganesho. Sukshma Ganesho means in the it's a inner structure means there is a small particles. Tasya Angani means components of tiny pollens drishyante are visible. So Sukshma Ganesho means in the small particles pollen grains components of the tiny pollens are seen, right? So this is the meaning of the word till here. Now I show you translation and then I show you samas and sandhivas. See the first to understand the sentence meaning. This is the sentence given in the bracket. Arnab enters with a hibiscus flower in his hand. His father is a science professor. He is engrossed in reading a book. There is a microscope on the table behind him. So ये सेंटेंस ब्रैकेट का है. अर्नब जपाकुसुम फूल लेके प्रवेश करता है. उसके पिता विज्ञान के प्राध्यापक है, प्रोफेसर है. वह पुस्तक पढ़ने में मग्न है, लीन है. उनके पीछे टेबल पे एक सूक्ष्मेक्षिका मतलब माइक्रोस्कोप रखा हुआ है. देन अर्नब से, अर्नब, फादर, I have brought a hibiscus flower from our garden. Look how tiny its pollen grains are. There is mistakes. Look how tiny its pollen grains are. There's exclamation. Then the father said, Father, see, you can look at the Sukshmekshikaya see through microscope. You see through microscope. It is already written here. So see through microscope. Yeah. So three, see through microscope. You can look at the inner structure of of those pollen grains with the help of microscope. Arnab does so. Then, Peta, Kim Drishtam Toya, what did you see or what was seen by you? Then Arnab said, Father, it is wonderful. The components of the tiny pollen grains are visible. The components of tiny pollen grains are visible. So this is the translation till here, and आज मैं यहीं तक रखूँगा. I show you समास word and sandhi words. If there was only one sandhi and one more sandhi, तथा इति इति तथेति, ये पहला संधि वर्ड था. एंड अभी तक बाकी हम लोगों ने शुरू नहीं किया है, तो जस्ट एक ही संधि में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. देन here is गृहीत्वा. तो antapya form you have seen here, grihitva, and tumant avya is drashtum. Drashtum, you can see here it is mentioned, drashtum. Now come to samas word. Samas, japa nam kusumam. Japa kusumam is actually karmdhara samas. Japa nam kusumam, it is japa kusumam. Then pustakasya pathanam. You will see here pustak pathane. So pustakasya pathanam tasmin, it is also shashti tatpurusha samas. So this is second. Third one is parag kanaha. So paragasya kanaha, it is also shashti tatpurusha samas. Then sukshmaha kanaha. Sukshma kanaha is sukshmaha kanaha. So teshu, it is karmadhara samas. Sukshma kaneshu. So till fourth means only four samas words we have seen here, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक पूरा नहीं किया है, यहीं तक है, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसे आगे का शेयर करने वाला हूँ. सो these are the samas and sandhi word. Please keep on watching because I am going to give you additional questions as well as translation and sandhi words and suchna anusaram kruti kuruta etc. type of questions. So please watch, share with your friends and like this video. If it is helping you, so please put the message that encourage me, motivate me to make more and more video with good thoughts. Thank you for watching.